Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it to the video by using the settings bar and just simply going to the right. So here we are. Now let's move to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. And in the video mode we have the video settings at the first position with video stabilization option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And we have also here in this video mode one extra way to stabilize our video better. So let's move back to this view and focus on this settings bar. Now we have to tap to this hand icon to turn on super steady recording, and another tap to turn it off as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.